If you imagine, it is a laryngeal inlet. This is the position of the fossa in the coronal section. These are the clears. These are the position of the piriform fossa. Wide above, narrow below. The medial boundary. This is the medial wall. It is formed by the airy epiglottic fold. This is the airy epiglottic folds that form the medial boundary of this piriform fossa. While the lateral, this is the lateral. In this diagram, this is the hyoid bone, thyroid cartilage. This is the cricoid cartilage, cricoid, thyroid, and hyoid bone. So laterally, it is bounded by the mucous membrane that lines the inner surface of. There is a membrane. If you remember, hyoid bone is connected with the thyroid cartilage by a membrane. This membrane is known as the thyroid membrane. So, laterally the mucous membrane lines the inner surface of the thyroid membrane and upper part of the thyroid cartilage, and this mucous membrane that lines these structures forms the lateral boundary of the piriform fossa. Now the important relation, it is the internal laryngeal nerve. If you remember, this thyroid membrane is pierced by the internal laryngeal nerve and a vessel is present, that is the superior laryngeal vessels. Now this internal laryngeal nerves, after piercing the thyroid membrane, it passes underneath the floor of the piriform fossa and crosses from lateral to medial side. Runs from lateral to medial side, and it supplies the larynx above the vocal cord. So this internal laryngeal nerve, which is present outside the mucous membrane of this piriform fossa, is closely related with this floor of the piriform fossa. Now what is the importance of this piriform fossa, which is situated on the both sides of the laryngeal inlet? Importance of piriform fossa. One, it is the commonest site for the injury of this internal laryngeal nerve. Then, it is the site where the foreign body material obstructed or occluded and cause the irritation. It is the piriform fossa, and this fossa is also known as the smuggler's fossa. Smuggler's fossa, piriform fossa, because in the previous time it is used, it is deepened to hide the precious material, and that is why this piriform fossa is also known as the smuggler's fossa. It is the site where the foreign body gets occluded, and it is the site where the chances of the damage of this internal laryngeal nerve, because it is closely related with the floor of this piriform fossa. So this is the importance of this piriform fossa, and it is about the laryngeal inlet. This is the inlet, and this is the laryngeal cavity, enters into the laryngeal cavity. On both sides of the laryngeal inlet, it is the two piriform fossa.